Hey guys, so we just got in new Keninsons. We got the Fidos this time, and I figured we'd do a little unbagging again. Same kind of packaging. You get the package, you've got your details on the back. So this is a satin titanium. It's got all the materials, percentages, grams. You've got your blade length, which is 3 inches, your open overall length, which is 6.9 inches, and your overall closed length, which is 3.9 inches. It's got all the little backstory for Keninson. These come with the Keninson sticker on the bottom. So let's get into it and see which one we are opening first. So just like the last one, you're gonna get your microfiber cloth. This one says Fido instead of Bassett like this one. You get your goodies pouch. And even this one has the same information on it that you get on the back of your knife bag. And this one you're getting, oh, these are sealed up, never mind. You're still gonna get your sticker, your patch, same thing that you got with the Bassett. Now, let's get into the knife itself, which comes in a little sponge pouch. This one is, we've got the Damascus clip, backspacer, I don't know if you can see that very well back here, and your pivot collars are the same. When I tell y'all, I'm not a flipper girl, I'm really not, but Keninson knows what he's doing when he makes his flippers. Super smooth, super easy to use, and you don't have that big old little flipper to catch. So that is the Fido satin and titanium with the Damascus clip and a pivot collar, backspacer. Next we have the DLC carbon fiber. Same thing, you've got all your materials. So M390 blade, carbon fiber. This one has brass pivot collars and backspacers and a titanium clip. Same length, all of that. Let's see. Of course, you're gonna get your Fido microfiber cloth. Your goodies pouch. And let's see. Oh, how pretty. So you've got the carbon fiber with the brass, DLC pocket clip, brass backspacer, just as smooth with your DLC blade. And again, not a flipper girl, but Keninson knows what he's doing. And then, last but not least, we have another satin titanium. Same material list, blade length, all of that. And again, Fido microfiber cloth. Goodies pouch, same information on the back of it. And this one is, oh, we've got the bronzed clip, bronzed pivot collar, bronzed backspacer, and there's that satin. Beautiful. All right, y'all tell me which one do y'all like the best. Bye.